Hey, good morning, Linda. And I just wanted to do this real quick video for you. I'm going to email this Excel spreadsheet to you. These ones in red I added yesterday, so I kind of want to show you how to do this. Suggest that you print a copy of it off in black and white, and then also keep this up on your screen. You can right click in this name field and select copy. Let me make sure you're seeing this. And you are. And then I'm going to switch over to Facebook. And up here in this search box, if you'll paste this in and then select groups, well, actually, you see it's already populated. I've already joined. But if you get a bunch of different Facebook groups, you can click on groups right here, and that'll narrow it down to just these groups. And you can see I'm already a member. There's 13,700 members in this Homes for Rent in Bell County. There's also a couple in there for apartments and duplexes and things like that. But this is really where I think you're going to get some really good traction is joining these groups and seeing what they've got available, because some of these things aren't going to be in online for you to be able to search. So some of these are private homeowners that are renting out their properties. And so you absolutely want to take a look at some of these things. So anyway, just wanted to show you how to do that. Also, let me let me put a post up here so I can show you how to share a post that you do. Uh, I typically like to use a Word document or Notepad. Let me make sure you're seeing this. So here's a Word document, and I'll just say, I have a seller that needs to locate a few options or either an apartment or duplex in Salado, Temple, or Belton. Now, what I do here is I just copy it and I leave it highlighted so that if I need to come back and copy it, I can just click on it. And then I'm going to go back to Facebook, and it's not on here. So hang on a second. Let me get Facebook back up. Make sure you're seeing this. Okay, so I'm back to Facebook and I've got that information in there. And so once I post this, let's see if it's one of the sites that requires, no, there it is right there. And so once this post is up on this page, you can go down here to share, and then right here, click on groups. And then every group you belong to, you can just share it. And so I'm going to put, let me find a good one. Here's one. Homes, Central Texas homes for sale or rent. So once I click on that, I can just post that right there, and I've got it on two groups now. And so this is what I want to encourage you to do. Just take a little bit of time to go to Facebook homepage and then just paste those like this home for rent from the Excel spreadsheet. It's pretty simple. Once you kind of get a hang of it, it'll take you about 20 seconds to share in each group. I hope that helps you, dear. Talk to you soon.